Fairfax County's Green Business Partners program recognizes businesses leading in sustainability, and BXP is a standout. As the owner and property manager of Reston Town Center, BXP operates sustainably across 4.9 million square feet of workplaces, 50 retailers, 30 restaurants, and over 2,000 residential homes. It's the first developer-owned community in the U.S. with LEED Platinum certification for cities and communities, reflecting BXP's commitment to advancing climate action in the community.
So the aspiration of urban planners today is to have a 15-minute city where everything is walkable or bikeable within 15 minutes, an environment for living, working, and playing. This was very much the spirit in which Reston was designed 50 years ago. So here we are, BXP today, as stewards of Reston Town Center. All of us want to make sure that this is a highly amenitized, vibrant city that lives up to the aspiration of Reston Town Center when it was founded. Recently, we delivered a 1.3 megawatt solar canopy on top of the Green Garage here in Reston. It's a triple bottom line winner for people, planet, and profit. For people, it provides covered parking. For planet, it reduces greenhouse gas emissions over 400 metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent a year. And for profit, it reduces our energy costs.
So BXP uses technology to help in our sustainability efforts. We work with the third-party vendor with an online platform to monitor our electricity usage. That allows us to detect anomalies or unusual usage that we shouldn't be experiencing, and allows us to make changes in our operation or corrections or repairs in a timely manner without waiting for the next billing cycle to complete to realize we have a problem. And by doing so, that results in savings in operating expenses for the buildings, and it makes us better stewards of our environment. We have stormwater management systems. One of them's very large underground storage at one of our buildings where we filter the water as it comes into the system, and we store it up and then release it gradually into the county system so it does not ever overwhelm the system, so it makes very minimal impact from the site. Additionally, on that same site, we collect all the rainwater from the rooftops and store it in a cistern down in the parking garage levels where it's filtered and then reused to supply water to our cooling towers for use by our HVAC system, which creates a substantial water savings on an annual basis.
These systems are part of BXP's sustainable site management approach, reducing the operational carbon footprint of their business, the properties they develop and run. At Reston Town Center, BXP supports green transportation by providing EV charging stations in all their parking garages and a shuttle that runs continuously between the Metro Silver Line station and the town center throughout the day. And Capital Bike Share stations, bike racks, and bike storage make cycling easy for their employees, residents, and visitors.
We have a few other interesting things in place here in Reston. We have a rooftop garden on one building where we grow vegetables, which we distribute to our clients. We also have some beehives on a building where we promote beekeeping and the population of bees in the area, and that generates a fair amount of honey, which we distribute to our clients on a regular basis. At least annually, we do our Hour 4 event here in Reston, which is Reduce, Reuse, Recycle Reston. During 2024, we collected 700 pairs of glasses, 2.7 tons of paint, 14 tons of home electronics, and 20 tons of shredded paper. All that avoided the landfill.
There's this saying that chance favors the prepared mind, sustainability favors the prepared company. For our clients, visitors at Reston Town Center, we want them to see what we're doing here is bringing progress to the town center, is helping them make progress in their own lives. It might be a public park or an event or a green garage canopy, that there are very visual demonstrations that reflect our values and the shared values of the Reston community.
BXP's commitment to sustainability perfectly reflects the mission of Fairfax County's Green Business Partners program. As a Green Business Partners leader, BXP sets the standard for environmental stewardship, inspiring greener practices and a more resilient business community.